Hey guys, Angeline here, and today I'm going to be opening all of my gifts from the Pink Campus Rep training. My room is still in the process of being moved into, so that's why it's extremely bare. So basically we had a 3-day training. Okay, my room is extremely messy, so just ignore. But anyways, basically Pink Campus Rep training consisted of 3 days of just webinars. Each day had a different topic / theme. Normally for the campus rep training, they send us off to Ohio where the headquarters are for 3 days. But unfortunately this year, due to COVID and all of that, we had to do it at home. So basically we were just given 3 bags of gifts, and they basically all had like, so basically no peeking, we had to open them the day of. I was actually not there for day 2 and day 3, and I was like gone out of town during all of the opening stuff, so I didn't open a lot of these things. And I'll also be opening my like welcome campus rep box, so you'll see that towards the end, and I'll also give information at the end on how I became a campus rep. But basically I'm a campus rep at Texas A&M University, so gig 'em. But anyways, okay, let's get started. I'm sorry for the long intro. So this is day 1. It basically says, today is all about getting inspired. You're doing big things and we can't wait to watch you shine. Enjoy your gifts. Love, Pink. So it came in this huge yellow bag, as you can see here. So I'm just gonna open up, and just keep in mind, remember that I've already opened the clothes. I've like worn them on my trip, so that's that, but I haven't really seen the rest. Ah! Okay, so this is the cutest thing ever. Okay, so this is the collegiate backpack. I think this comes in one size only, but they embroidered my name on it, so you can see Angelina, and it's so freaking cute. It's pink, as you can see here. It's called the collegiate backpack. This is what it kind of looks like. Yeah, so the backpack inside itself is awesome. You can see like these little pouches, which I generally don't see on the inside of backpacks. Like I always see them on the outer pockets. But that is so cute. But I think the one on the website doesn't have embroidery, but I mean, you can do it yourself because this backpack is so cute. And then there's an inner pocket and another pocket. So very, very spacious. It has 3 pockets and I freaking love it. Moving on, there is this pink headband. It is so, so cute. I don't know, let's see. I've been obsessed with headbands lately, especially since I cut my hair. But anyways, it's like a little satin headband. It's very, very cute. I love it. That's what it looks like. Next is this. I believe it is a hydro flask. Just from the outside you can tell that it's super vibrant, so it is so cute. Alright, so I got this pink hydro flask. It is so freaking pretty. It's also a limited edition, so that's that. This is just super cute. I love hydro flasks so much, and I just got a Cricut, so I'll probably put like my name on it or something, but I love that. Next that's in here is this Victoria's Secret I think it's like a notebook or journal. I'm not sure. I'm gonna open it and check it out. This is what it looks like. I think it's a planner. It's so cute. It has these stickers, and then you can see these tabs and all of that. So it's definitely a planner. But yeah, this is so cute. Next is this hair tie, and I've been loving scrunchies. I don't know, I'm just loving all of this pink going on here. Next are these stickers. Let's open it and check it out. So the first one is Girl Power. Second one is You Are So Powerful. Third one is Your Time Is Now. This one is You're a Future CEO. I freaking love that one. And then this one is Hi, You've Reached Boss Babe. So I freaking love pink and how they're just all about empowering women and just motivating them. Next, what I got are these glasses. These are really cute. I kind of just want to like use the frames and get these prescribed or something. Let's check them out. Okay, so I look so nerdy. Alright, these are super duper cute. I don't know, I look silly, but they're really cute. I love like the frame. That's what they look like. And what I got is another scrunchie. This is a just blue one, I guess. You can see that. The material is so nice. I really like the material of these scrunchies. But another scrunchie, but this one is black. Got this oatmeal soothing body lotion. This is awesome. I love the packaging. Let's see if you can see that. It's moisturizing, dye-free, dermatologist tested, and they are against animal testing, which is awesome. So yeah, this is the oatmeal soothing lotion. Next, I got these adorable pens. If you could see that, they're super freaking cute. I'll use that with my planners, obviously. All right, next we're gonna open this up on day one. I believe that they made like coffee with the campus rep alumna. Like I said, this was like packaged to my hometown, so I didn't get a chance to like open it before I went on my trip. Okay, so this is like cold brew Americano latte or latte macchiato. So this is Manhattan Black. This is her brand, if you can see that there. And then here, I'm sure you're supposed to put this on the top. Straw. Eco-friendly. These sugar cubes, I'm assuming. So that's that. But anyways, that's from Teespresso. Also, I got these barrettes, pink barrettes. Kind of opened them already. They look like this. They are so cute. I can't wait. But yeah, I love all the colors that it came with. That was the yellow bag. Now I'm going to be moving on day 2, which is this blue bag. So I'm definitely feeling a box, so I'm gonna grab for that first. All right, then I still. All right, so I believe this is the ring light. So since I've like gone over and caught up with the campus rep webinars, but I haven't like seen it yet. But anyways, it's looking pretty cool. Oops. Okay. Okay, so it is like a tripod, which is awesome. Definitely needed that. As I was talking about, I was like looking for my tripod. Next is this. So this is from Ubi Size, I guess. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's just in this little baggie. And I'm just gonna open that and check it out. It's totally a ring light. This is so awesome. I've really wanted one for a while. So that is what it looks like. It's awesome. I can't wait to use that. There's one more thing here. This is a selfie ring. Oh, that's so cute. It just says pink on the top, but that is so freaking cute. Can't wait to use that as well. Yeah, that's all for this bag. I'll go over the clothes that it came with. So it came with biker shorts. I wore these when I went hiking and they were amazing and super cute. So this is what they look like. The print itself is super duper cute. And it kind of has like this mesh on the side, and the fabric is amazing. It's definitely like for athletic wear if you want. And with this, most people just paired it with our oversized t-shirt that was given to us. And all the pink campus reps kind of like received different colors, but I received the camel set and then the gray oversized t-shirt. This thing is so comfortable. Like I wore it on my hike as well, and it was just so breathable and super duper cozy. I just kind of tied it up. But lastly, for that day, it came with a bralette. I freaking love Pink's bralettes so much. They're just really comfortable, and they have padding. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Super cute. All right, so for day 3, it says, we're so happy you're a campus rep. Today is about looking inward, practice self-care, love yourself and others, and feel good. Enjoy your gifts. This is like a pink bag. This was super big. In here is this, and I'm so excited to use this. It is a like yoga mat. I haven't opened it yet, but it's like in a mesh bag. I'm just so excited. Like I love all of their products so much. I will get a good use out of this, especially with COVID. Working at home is definitely the move. So next in the bag for the day was this adorable set, kind of like an ombre tie-dye type of spiel, but it's a matching 2 set, and it's a part of their pink sport collection. But it's so cute, if you can see that. And this is like the backing. And I also wore this on a hike. But anyways, these are the bottoms, and they kind of have like these cutout designs, if you can see that. Next for this day was a white tank, and I wore this with my set. It's a seamless top, but yeah, if you can see all the holes on the back, it's super cute. It's like a really breathable design. And I believe this is the last thing for these sets. And these are so cute. These are like take note and take care, just like notepads, I guess. I'll definitely find use out of this, just to stay on track of everything. It has like the days of the week, and then it has your to-do, top 3, and then just habits, what you've achieved, and your goals. So basically that was all that I got for the campus rep training. And luckily today when I was training, we actually got another package in the mail. So I got these bad boys, so I'm super excited. Basically these are the new pink fluffitas. I don't know how you say it, but I'm assuming that's how. I'm so freaking excited for these. These are so cute. I'm gonna be making a TikTok on how to style these, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, that is the video. I also got a first package from them, which came with a bunch of stuff, so I'll just include a fast clip of that. So basically how I became a pink campus rep. I applied a few months ago and I got interviewed the beginning of maybe sometime around March. I think I got interviewed. I know personally I had sent my application unfortunately very late and all of that, so it was a mess, and then I thought I wasn't gonna get it at all, and then all of a sudden they had me call for an interview, and then after the interview I didn't hear back for a bit, and so I thought I didn't get it. But just like a month ago or a few weeks ago, I'm not exactly sure about the timeline, I'll probably check that if I'm making a more informative video later, but I checked and I got the campus rep position, and I have an amazing co-rep. I've talked to her for a bit already. We haven't met personally just because of the whole COVID thing going on and school hasn't particularly started yet, but I'm really excited to take on this position. I thought this was a really cool and exciting opportunity, considering that it's pink. Like, it's such a big company, and they do great things on campus. They have really fun events all year long, and we have a bunch of giveaways and all of that stuff. So if you're interested or looking into being a rep, I would say totally go for it. But I mean, obviously this is my first year being a rep, so gotta see how it goes, but I'll definitely let y'all come along my journey and just see me be a rep. And if you go to A&M, maybe you'll see me at like pink events sometimes, I don't know. Really excited. But yeah, that's just my video for a bit. I know I haven't posted in a while. I always say that in every single freaking video. But yeah, I tried to make a move out and move in video for my apartment dorm room / whatever, but there was a whole mess with that, and that will be coming out soon. But anyways, thank you for watching. Comment below for any college related video requests, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on all my social media. But yeah, bye guys.